Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you DoorDash wouldn't let you cancel your Plus subscription. So let's get started. Fix it. So here we'll just open a DoorDash. Okay. So if you're not able to cancel your DoorDash Plus subscription, you have to follow these measures. Okay. So at the top section, you can see the account option. Just click on there. Okay. After that, here you can see here DoorDash Reward Master Card, and here we can see get a zero delivery fees with DashPass. Just click on here. If you have purchased it, it will show your availability. Okay. So if here you can't cancel that, you have to open your Google Play Store. Okay. Then here at the right side, you can see your account option, and then you have to click on here payment and subscription. Okay. Then here you have to go to subscription, and you can cancel your DoorDash subscription from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.